Hey, what's up? This is the introduction to the Python tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and learn a lot. Hi everybody, how is everybody doing? I hope you're ready for another tutorial on Python. And today we're going to go over type conversion. So yeah, we have gone over, let me go and zip this up. So we've gone through variables, strings, numbers, yeah, and data types. That's the last thing we went over. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then go and watch my other tutorials that should be somewhere like here. And yeah, please do that. So you can keep it up with my tutorials on Python. So yeah, I'm going to my corner. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Da, 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 da. Please stop singing, Erica. Okay, so type of conversion. So we know already float and integers and strings and booleans also. All those type of data we have covered already. We will go over more type of data in following tutorials, but yeah, this is for now. So first, I want to transform from float to integer and vice versa. So for example, I have a real number here, so 23, 24.123, okay, and an integer number. So I want my real number that has decimals to become an integer, right? And I want to print my integer number. Print int num. That is the name of my variable. Okay, so I print it. So it became 24 without any decimal, and it just truncates. So it gets rid of all the decimals after the integer. Here I'm printing also the type as we have seen in previous videos. Just to know the type of data we are dealing with, we can type, write type, and then real number, that is the name of my variable, and then it would say float, so that is the one above, and integer for the second one. Okay, I can also round it, so if I don't want my float to be truncated, I don't know how it's said in English, but if I don't just want to get rid of all the decimals, then I round it, and I can specify round it up to 2 decimals, and then it will round it to 2 decimals. If I want to round it to 3 decimals, then I can specify this argument here after my name or my number, and then the decimals I want. Number to string. So for example, I have a number and I want this number to be string, so I will do string and then num, and then so for example, imagine string, my number is 200, then it will print, oh well, it is not printing it because I haven't told them to print it, but I can take it to just some promo there. I'm gonna take it and copy it here. So here is saying 200 between quotation marks, and that is telling me that is a string. If I do type parentheses and my data, my variable, then it will say 200 is a string. Okay, more. yeah, so text to string, yeah, it also works with decimals. Well, let's see what type of data this is. Text, we will say, well, we have to tell him to print it, but let's just erase this. String, so it's telling me this is a string. You have converted into string. String to number. Okay, so string to number, basically, as we did before, we could convert it into float or integer. So basically, you can see that is the type of data you want to convert it, and then parentheses, and then your variable, and then it will convert it to the type of data you desire. So here we have a string, but it can be, yeah, we cannot have hello world, right? Hello here, it will not work. We need a number, so 45, for example, .89, and then we convert it, and then we will print txt here. It says 45.89 is a string now, but text /1 text, I don't know what this is called, is float. So we had a string and we converted into float. So now it's a float. And txt plus float, yeah. So we are printing type of txt1, so it's a float, okay? Number to Boolean and vice versa. Okay, let's go over these two, and then we'll cut the video because it's gonna get too long and you get bored. Okay, number to Boolean and vice versa. So I have true, false, as I said, Boolean value will be either 1 or 0. So we just get print bool. Okay, let me do it here. So for example, print bool, and then I do 1. Okay, print bool 1 will print true. If I say print bool 0, it will print false. Okay. So here we're value 1. Sorry, I'm Spanish. True. Valor 0. Let's change it. It sounds very weird. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. So, well, maybe not here. Maybe not now. Okay. No, I'm not changing it. another time. Okay, so valor 1, integer valor 1. So if we print, for example, print valor 1. Wow. How is not defined? Integer valor 1. How is not defined? Okay, I'm not writing correctly the variable. You see, it's very easy. So here we have transformed this boolean into an integer, and then we have printed. Sorry for the mess. Okay, I hope this is clear. If not, raise your hand. Haha, joke. No, please leave a comment if anything is a bit messy, then I can repeat it or clarify in the description below. Description, whatever, in the comments. What are you saying, Erica? Okay, string to Boolean. So, okay, I have a Boolean. Okay, so any string that I have that is full with things, even a space, this will be true. So transforming to Boolean is 1. But if I have an empty string that is just quotation marks and nothing in it, then is false. Okay, so you can see here Boolean false, print hello, how are you, Python, okay, Python, true, doesn't matter whatever you write. Okay, let's stop here. Sorry for being a bit messy sometimes. I try to be as clear as I can. Yeah, I know that it's not the best audio and the best recording quality, but I will try to improve that, and also to improve the clarity of my tutorials. I hope you enjoyed it and that you at least laughed and learned something. If you did, please leave a comment or like if you enjoyed it just a little bit, and then we'll see each other in the next tutorial. Bye!